Hey there, beautiful brides-to-be. Welcome to a world where your wedding dreams come alive in the most magical way possible. If you're dreaming of that perfect, glistening gold glam look for your big day, you're about to discover how to make it truly unforgettable. You're in for a treat because today's look is all about radiance, confidence, and a touch of fairy tale sparkle. Today I'm diving into the enchanting world of bridal makeup, where every detail is designed to make you feel like the best version of yourself. We'll explore how you can achieve a stunning gold glam look through the magical lens of claymation. Now imagine this. Your wedding day arrives and all eyes are on you as you glide down the aisle, every step sparkling with anticipation. You want to feel like the star of your own fairy tale, the main character in a storybook romance. And let me tell you, gold glam is the way to go for that show-stopping, unforgettable bridal look. Gold is timeless, elegant, and oozes sophistication. It's a color that flatters every skin tone and brings out a natural warmth. Let's start with the base, because every masterpiece begins with a flawless foundation. Picture a smooth, flawless canvas where your skin looks even, healthy, and glowing. Primed and ready for the magic to unfold, your skin should feel comfortable and look luminous all day long. A foundation that not only matches your skin tone but enhances it, blending seamlessly for a natural effect, giving you that radiant, lit from within glow. It's the secret to looking fresh and vibrant in every photo. It's all about creating a natural, dewy finish that captures light in the most flattering way. Next up, the eyes, the true stars of this look. Here's where the gold glam really takes center stage, transforming your gaze into something truly magical. Think shimmery gold eyeshadows that pop against your lids, catching the light with every blink. Creating a mesmerizing look that captivates everyone, your eyes become the focal point of your bridal beauty. Blend it with warm browns for depth and drama, adding dimension and intensity to your look. And don't forget to add a touch of highlighter to the inner corners to make your eyes truly sparkle. For the cheeks, a soft, warm blush adds a touch of romance, giving your face a healthy, youthful flush, while a hint of golden highlighter on the cheekbones gives you that sun-kissed bridal glow, perfect for those magical wedding photos. It's about enhancing your natural beauty and letting your features shine, so you look and feel radiant from every angle. Now, let's talk lips. A nude or soft pink lip paired with a glossy finish is perfect for balancing the boldness of the eyes. It's subtle yet sophisticated, and it keeps the focus on your glowing complexion. Ensuring all the right kinds of attention are drawn to your radiant smile, your lips look soft, kissable, and wedding-ready. Don't forget, a touch of lip liner can help define your lips and keep your color in place all day so you can celebrate without worry. And there you have it, a look that's as unique and special as your love story. A gold glam bridal look that's not just about makeup, but about expressing your personality and style. It's about bringing out the best in you, highlighting your individuality and inner glow, making you feel confident and beautiful on one of the most special days of your life, surrounded by those you love. Remember, makeup is personal and expressive, a way to tell your story without saying a word. And at the end of the day, what matters most is how you feel when you look in the mirror. It's all about what makes you feel like the most magical version of yourself, ready to step into your new chapter. So, whether you're a DIY bride or working with a professional, remember to trust your instincts and embrace your creativity. Embrace the process and have fun with it. After all, your wedding is a celebration of love, joy, and new beginnings. Thank you for joining me on this whimsical journey through claymation magic and bridal beauty. Until next time, keep shining, keep dreaming big, and remember you're golden. Catch you in the next video.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel. And subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.